Is your website loading slower than normal, or has it been having issues more frequently? If so, now might be the time to upgrade your web hosting. Here's 5 signs that you need to upgrade to managed hosting. Just one of these signs could hold your website back significantly. Sign 1. Your website is always down. If your website's crashing and you find yourself struggling to get back online, your hosting plan could be the problem. A good managed web host should provide 99.9% uptime and proactive monitoring, so you can rest assured that your site stays online. Sign 2. You're spending way too much time on server maintenance. Are you dealing with tasks like operating system updates and patches, or having issues optimizing your server resources and implementing scheduled backups? A good managed host can take care of all these tasks and more, saving you countless hours. Sign 3. You're worried about security. With managed hosting, you can get proactive monitoring for threats like DDoS attacks, customized firewall and security setup, or even help maintaining PCI compliance. And don't forget the peace of mind that comes from knowing that your system is being managed 24/7. Sign 4. Your website's getting slower. Load times can often kill traffic, costing your business money. To prevent this, you should consider managed hosting plans that are optimized for your specific type of website. For example, InMotion offers managed WordPress plans that include NVMe SSDs, PHP FPM, and Redis object caching, creating an ideal environment for your WordPress site. In simple terms, lightning fast speeds without the trouble. Sign 5. You're growing bigger, but your hosting is falling behind. From a WordPress blog to an online enterprise, good managed hosting should be scalable, meaning it can easily increase your resources and bandwidth without any downtime. How many of these signs have you experienced? If you're looking for faster speeds, stronger security, less headaches, or more peace of mind, contact InMotion Hosting today, and we can discuss the best options for your site. Fast, reliable, InMotion Hosting.